Hi friends, welcome to Mama Needs a Goal, and thanks so much for joining me today. I am so excited, so I am jumping right into this video. After 3 long years, I finally picked out a dishwasher. And guess what? They're coming tomorrow to install it, which means I need to get underneath that kitchen cabinet and get that stuff out of there and cleaned. I know I have a lot of cleaning products that's been under there for many years that's got pushed to the back that I have not used. So I'm going to bring you along and I'm going to show you what underneath my kitchen sink looks like. We're going to get it cleaned out, scrubbed out really well, and then after they install my dishwasher, I'll bring you along and we're going to do a little bit of organization. So I hope you enjoy it, so stick around. My new dishwasher is now installed. The installer cleaned up underneath the cabinet a little bit and rearranged the lines, so there's a lot more room in there than what I currently had, and I am so excited. I just absolutely love the dishwasher. It cleans really well, and I'll link below the make and model and where I got it from, but right now I just want to get underneath that cabinet and get it organized. gonna wrap up my under the sink organization video. I hope you enjoyed it and you were inspired to get under your sink and clean it out. I will link the products that I used below. I did not use the Lazy Susan as it didn't quite work out the way I was hoping that it would. But I'm going to use it in the pantry so it won't go to waste. And I'm also going to show you at the end of this video my new dishwasher, and I'll also link the dishwasher that I purchased as well. So far so good. I really love it and it's doing a great job. So thanks for joining me, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel as it helps me out. Thanks. Until the next one, I'll see you then.